On top the impeachment move against Edo Deputy Governor, the Federal High Court Abuja don restrain Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly, Edo Chief Judge, IGP and others from carrying out any processes of impeachment. Una go remember say on Wednesday 6 March 2024, the Edo State House of Assembly start impeachment proceedings against the Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu, where 21 out of 24 members of the House for signed impeachment notice dated March 5, 2024 against the Deputy Governor. For the plenary, the Speaker of the House come acknowledge the petition and come order the Clerk of the House, Yahaya Omogbai, to serve the Deputy Governor the impeachment notice. The court order day as follows: Federal High Court Abuja has given an order setting aside any purported process or notice of any allegation of gross misconduct against the Edo State Deputy Governor Comrade Shaibu on the ground that such process or notice is a violation of Section 188 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. An injunction restraining the defendants and their agents, privates and representatives from interfering with, restricting, disempowering and/or preventing the plaintiff from discharging his constitutional duties and functions as the duly elected Deputy Governor of Edo State in a joint and equal ticket with the second defendant, the Governor of the Edo State. In the suit case number FHC/ABJ/CS/321/2024, further seeked an order forthwith restating and restoring the full and total rights and privileges attached or accruing to the office of the plaintiff as duly elected Deputy Governor of Edo State, which include but not limited to the restoration of all media team, press crew attached to the office of the plaintiff as Deputy Governor of Edo State, and relocating the plaintiff back to his office within the government house of the first defendant. The summons was taken out by Professor Oladoyin Awoyale, son of Doyin Awoyale Son and Co., on behalf of the Deputy Governor Comrade Shaibu. The restraining order is against the Edo State Government, the Governor of the state, Godwin Obaseki, the State House of Assembly, the Speaker, Honorable Blessing Abuebaku, the Clerk of the House of Assembly, the Chief Judge of the State, the Inspector General of Police, and Director General of State Security Service. The originating summons brought pursuant to Order 3, Rule 9 of the Federal High Court Civil Proceeding Rules 2019, Section 6, Subsection 6b, Section 36, Section 39 and 188 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. Questions for determination: whether as a democratically elected Deputy Governor of Edo State in a joint ticket with the second defendant, the plaintiff is not entitled to remain in office as such, freely exercise his rights, privileges and discharge his constitutional duties to the people of Edo State as Deputy Governor of Edo State within the full time allocated to the office of the Constitution, Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, without intimidation, threat of coerced resignation and or illegal removal from office by the third, fourth, fifth defendant as the instigation and support of the one and second defendants. Whether under and by virtue of Section 36, Subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, the plaintiff is not entitled to fair hearing from the defendant in the determination of his civil rights and obligations in relation to his office as Deputy Governor of Edo State, either generally or in the course of the process of his removal from office. Whether by the combined provisions of Section 36 and 188 of the Constitution, Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, any process for the removal of a Deputy Governor of a state can be contemplated, construed and or carried out without regard and adherence to the principles of fair hearing, due processes and express procedures as stipulated by the Constitution. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.